So let's talk about the Zodiac's ultimate nurturer, the Cancer personality.
You know, their energy is all about connecting with our feelings and making home feel like, well, home.
But wait a minute, why is their symbol a crab with a hard shell? Let's get into it.
Well, that symbol is the key. It's all about a tough exterior protecting a super soft inside.
Cancers are total security seekers. They really need a cozy, safe space to thrive.
Yeah, change can feel really threatening, so they hold on tight to what and who they love.
And if you mess with that security, watch out, because this sign can definitely pinch back.
Okay, so what exactly is hiding under that tough shell? Let's take a look.
You'll find a deeply caring and compassionate heart. They're incredibly loyal and always have your back.
Seriously, they're the ultimate caretakers. They just have this natural gift for nurturing everyone around them.
And get this, they're also total culture vultures. They always know the coolest new spots and bands.
And here it is, that classic Cancer conflict, the protective shell versus that super caring heart.
A huge influence on their emotional world is their ruling planet, the moon. The moon rules our moods, right? So it totally explains why their emotions cycle, just like the moon itself.
This also makes them super intuitive, sometimes even a little psychic. They've got to trust their gut.
But all this sensitivity can have a downside. You know, boundaries are absolutely essential for them.
They need friends who let them vent, but also remind them just how strong they really are.
So how can they channel all that nurturing energy in a good way? Well, it's all about comfort.
Building that personal sanctuary and leaning on their support system, that's what keeps their spirits high.
At its core, it's all about creating emotional safety for yourself and for the people you love.
Finding that balance between protection and isolation, well, that's the lifelong journey for anyone with strong Cancer energy.